Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. I got a email from Eric asking how I mounted that Marx motor in that 8902. So I thought I'd do a quick video. Anyway, as you see, the 8902 and the 490 are almost the same as far as the usable space where the motor goes. So I just drilled holes. You measure approximately 1/4 inch. And drill the hole for the mounting screws, 2 mismatched screws, as you see. So that takes care of the front mount. The rear mount is actually the front mount from a micro motor that I modified, cut it to width, so it slides down in position. I haven't epoxied it yet. It's just a friction fit in there. But this thing actually runs really well. I mean, considering it's just made out of junk. And it looks nice. That's the neat thing about it. It doesn't look bad at all. So anyway, I've got to get this positioned, so it's going to be where I want it to be before I epoxy it in there. But it's runnable as is, and it actually runs quite well. I've been running this on and off for the last few hours. So it works, there's no doubt about that. It looks nice. It looks as good as a 490 or 400, I think. So a Marx single reduction motor mounted in a 8902 shell. It works. All you need is a couple of parts to put it in there. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.